Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this panel titled Towards an STI Advice Platform and Capacity Building Programs for Africa and Developing Countries. I must recognize all distinguished colleagues that are here and all fellow advocates of the science policy integration, ladies and gentlemen. I'll give a preamble to this panel discussion, after which I will introduce properly all the panel members and allow each of them maybe 4 minutes generic comment followed by questions. Perhaps one of the greatest challenges we face as humanity is the glaring and persistent gap between scientific knowledge and policy implementation, and that has come up a number of times this afternoon. Africa and developing countries possess immense scientific talent and innovative potential, yet we continue to face systemic barriers in translating this capacity into effective policy advice and sustainable development outcomes. The COVID-19 pandemic starkly illustrated both our vulnerabilities and our resilience. While it exposed the urgent need for robust science, technology, innovation advisory systems, it also demonstrated the remarkable ability of our scientific communities to mobilize, collaborate, and contribute meaningfully to policy responses when the right platforms and mechanisms exist. This very institution, CSIR, played a very leading role in that regard, and it proved, again, why science is so paramount at times of crisis. Today's panel brings together exceptional leaders who have pioneered STI advisory mechanisms across diverse contexts, from continental frameworks through NEPAD to national systems in India, regional networks spanning Africa, and innovative civil society approaches in Russia and Austria. Each represents a unique model of science policy engagement that holds valuable lessons for our collective advancement. Our mission today is not merely to share experiences, but to forge a path toward establishing a dedicated STI advice platform that is authentically African, contextually relevant, and globally connected. We seek to identify the institutional frameworks, capacity building strategies, and collaborative mechanisms that can transform how developing countries harness science for policy and development. The questions we explore today around inclusivity, around sustainability, transparency, and effectiveness are the foundation upon which we will build systems that can address climate change, food security, health challenges, and economic transformation across our regions. So let us engage with agency that these challenges demand, the wisdom our experiences provide, and of course, the ambition our future requires.